Here is the most underrated drill bit at our store, the Flame Bit. The Flame Bit is a diamond bit that works wonders for your natural nails. It features a sandpaper-like grit, making it incredibly gentle on your nails. The sharp point of the Flame Bit is perfect for detailed cuticle work, especially in those hard-to-reach corners. Its tapered shape allows the Flame Bit to fit snugly parallel to the surface of the nail and effectively go under the dead skin. However, it is crucial to remember to push the cuticle back properly before using the Flame Bit. Let's upgrade your nail care routine with the Flame Bit.